Masvingo province ready to launch the Cape 4 motion to give President Mnangagwa in office until 2037. Zanapenda mashukobani kwa chinzi chairman Masvingo speaks. Don't forget subscribe or like it on the bell icon. Tibla mnamobani kwa chinzi. Masvingo provincial chairman Comrade Robson Masvingo has reportedly said that the province is ready to kickstart the Cape 4 motion to allow President Mnangagwa to remain in office until 2037. Masvingo province was the first to popularize the 2030 slogan, and now it is pushing for the president to rule until 2037. The current constitution allows for 2 terms. However, the new law that extends a presidential term to 7 years. Under Constitution Amendment 3, this means that if President Mnangagwa serves until 2030, it would count as 1 term under the amended constitution. He would then be eligible to serve 2 full terms under the new framework. Chairman Masvingo was quoted as saying, "The president has done a lot of good work and deserves to be rewarded with more time in office. Some people previously opposed Cape 3, but now that it is law, everyone is expected to support it whether they like it or not. With the Cape 4 rumors now on the table, it appears anything is possible Kuma 2030 if it is properly planned and managed like ZVAITWA per Cape 3. We will wait and updating you." Domashukana mdanyu kwa pangwa ine Isaac Makomich. Pangwa ine achiradza kuti pane developments are underway. Pangwa ine ari kunongwa kunzi. And the 2030 group, pangwa ine, it is saying the first agenda has been achieved. Kuti pangwa ine was secure my constitutional amendments in Vision 2030. But now they are now pushing to President Mnangagwa just because of the massive work he has done, is they are saying. Pangwa ine deserve another term. Pangwa ine vachiti from 2030 to 2037. We are going to award the president another term kuti aramba achitonga. Pina comment section medu dzafungura enyi mari kudipa msiri kuchitwa ichi. So unsubscribe or like, on the bell icon.